Hello everyone, I'm Chef Mike and today I'm gonna teach you cool pastry decoration. Let's make fruit leather. This technique I will show you in a minute. You can use to create amazing fruit components for your fine dining desserts, and you can also use it to preserve your old food so you're not gonna waste it. For today I will use combination of apples, bananas and blueberries, but you can do basically any fruit like this. I chop them roughly and transfer them into the blender. I use very young fruit, but even better is to use old fruit, and then you can preserve it like this and keep it for months. I use some lemon juice and honey to taste, and I finish it with chia seeds. They are not that important for the taste, but they make the right consistency of the leather, so don't skip them. I use around 2 spoons for this amount of fruit. If you need, use a little bit of water at the start and then blend it on the maximum speed for around 5 minutes. Now you have to spread the mix on baking paper and dry it slowly at around 70 degrees Celsius until you end up with like a leathery consistency. For me, it took around 4 hours. And now we have a few ways of using it. You can use it as a fine dining component, so you would probably cut it with a knife to get small chips, or mash it with the hands to get like sharp looking component. And you can use it for a pastry or even for mains. Or you can just eat it as the snack. This technique is very good if you have a lot of fruit and you would waste it. You can dry it like this and keep it for months. One piece for my food inspector, and let's see what he says. And this week there are some problems. Unfortunately, he didn't approve it. So I would say make it at your own risk. And that's it guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you want to learn another great pastry decoration, check out this video and learn how you can make edible rocks at home. Thank you for watching and I see you soon.